Hi everyone, Ian from Mako Create here, and just another quick digital story to show you Crewe Library. So I'm stood outside at the moment. You can see that Crewe Library is part of the Crewe Lifestyle Centre. So if you can see this big giant building, you know you're in the right place. The library is just over towards this section of the building right here. And around, as you can see, there's lots of double yellow lines, so it's not too much in the way of parking. So if that's a concern for you, you might want to try and plan ahead. There is some short stay parking just up this road here, just opposite. Obviously if you're travelling on foot, it shouldn't be a problem, but if you are travelling by car, you might want to plan ahead a little bit. Moving into the building, you come through this way and you can see that there's quite a lot going on. Towards the left is the cafe and the library just there, and in case you're getting a little bit confused, there's other stuff going on inside the building as well. There's a leisure centre, swimming baths, all that kind of stuff. But if you're after the library, if you're going to work with us, then you need to come this way. Moving into the library itself, you can see it's really nice, clean, bright, open space.